So you can see right here in one of my affiliate dashboards, I've been able to generate over $30,000 and I still have money coming in every single week. Now, what I'm going to share with you inside this video is a totally free automated way you can get massive traffic to whatever affiliate link you want to promote without a website, without a following, and without even showing your face online. So if you're excited to learn this incredibly secret, powerful method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Now, this right here is the diagram of what the profit pulling automated affiliate website will be once it's set up. The first thing is we will have a page to capture our prospect, the people that we're promoting to, their email address. Okay, and then what we're going to do is have it redirect to our sales page, the page that's actually selling the affiliate products that we're promoting. And then it will also add people to our list of email addresses of those prospects. And we're going to be able to set up automated follow-up emails, following up with those people even while we're sleeping. Now, the reason you want to do this is because most people will not go to an affiliate link and buy right away. So this is going to allow us to capture that contact information and then literally through automation follow up and close tons of sales, allowing us to generate income like clockwork. So now let me walk you through. The first thing, there's going to be a link directly below that will take you to system.io. This is a free autoresponder software and a funnel builder software. So this allows us to really kill two birds with one stone. So all you have to do is go to the link below, put your best email in right there, and then just click get my free account. Now you can see right here that there are different plans, but for the free plan, we have up to 2,000 contacts. So up to 2,000 people can put their email into your capture page, and you can start doing that before you have to actually pay, which is amazing. So we can start generating income well before we've even paid for this service. Now, once you've set it up, once you log into your account, we want to go to emails and we want to go to the campaigns tab. Now, I already have some campaigns, but you want to create a new one. So you just want to name the campaign something you'll remember and go ahead and set that up. Now, once it's set up, what you want to do is actually go into that campaign. Now, I have a test campaign right here, so I can share with you what this will look like. Now, you can see that the delay, this is how frequent we're sending these emails to people that opt into our email list. You can see the email subject. This is the subject line. So if you've ever gotten an email in your inbox, that title, that's what that is right there. And then you can also see some stats like how many people opened it, how many people clicked, etc. So I've already created a lot of these emails here, but you want to obviously start by creating your first email. So you can just click create right there. And then for subject, okay, you can just put in a subject that's going to catch your prospect's attention. Okay. Now, what I want to share with you is a hack to actually start creating some of these emails is you can actually go to ChatGPT. And if you're created a free account with ChatGPT, you can actually type in, create a make money online email with a link to an offer. Okay. And you can just search that in and it will start to actually create this for you. Okay. Automatically like this. Okay. And then all you have to do is literally just copy this subject here, paste it in there. Okay. I like to do classic editor, hit save. And then once you're in here, this is where we're going to put the body. Okay. So you can go back to ChatGPT and just copy this right there. Okay. And then just literally paste it in here. Okay. And then you can just erase that because we won't have their name on our capture page. And then you can just put in your affiliate offer here. You can edit that link and then just put in whatever your affiliate link would be. Okay. Let's do google.com. Best, you can say, your name. So for me, it'd be Garrett. And then right here, you could highlight and you can edit that link again right there. Okay. So you could just kind of highlight on it and then edit it with your affiliate link. Okay. And then all you have to do is just click save and publish, and that will publish it to our list of emails. Okay. Now, like I said, you typically want to do one per day. That will start going out. Okay. So that's a good amount to follow up with people. Now, The next thing, obviously though, is you need to have an affiliate offer that you're promoting. Now, for this specific method, I'm going to share with you my #1 affiliate program that will actually pay you instant 100% commissions, and that is called the Legacy Builder program. Now, there's going to be a link directly below where you can actually get taken to my website and my capture page. And be sure you do put your best email in, because I will be sending emails to you that are designed to share exactly how to profit with this specific program, as well as more case studies of people like myself and like other people brand new that were able to use this specific program. So you definitely want to put in your email so you check out those emails that I do send you. Only value is going to be sent your way. So you want to look over this if you do resonate. Now, again, I love this because it actually gives you the done for you funnel. So when you actually have these emails set up, you need to connect it to a sales funnel. Now you can see right here, okay, if I go to websites and sales funnels, I have these 6 funnels, okay? Now, I did not create these funnels myself, right? This funnel right here, where we have the capture page, the sales page, you want to make sure it's very high converting. Now, a lot of times when you're brand new, you don't know how to create a good capture page. You don't know what to say on the headline. You don't know how to create your own sales page or your own, funnel and things like that. So I highly recommend you consider joining a program like the Legacy Builder that actually will give you your own done for you funnel. And then all you have to do is literally import it into your system.io account, and you can see it gives you all these different order forms, all these different things like this. And I did not create any of this myself. Once you just import it, okay, using the training right here, okay, you can see connecting your payment gateways, importing your sales page. It literally has tutorials step by step with system.io. The cool thing is they even have automated emails. So they give you done for you copy paste automated emails that you can actually import right here, okay? Because ChatGPT is amazing, but it's not always tailored to the program you're promoting. It doesn't include testimonials, and it's very robotic in many ways. So I highly recommend, again, you consider promoting a program that will actually give you done for you follow-up emails that are designed to promote that specific program. But whatever you choose, again, the way you're going to automate this is by having a sales funnel, and that funnel is going to have a page that adds them to your email list. And then again, you are going to have these automated emails inside of your campaign following up with your leads one day at a time, okay? And the whole goal of these emails is sending people back to the sales page. Now, again, this is this example of the Legacy Builder sales page. It's highly converting, right? It converts very well. And we want to keep sending people back to this page. So when they go to it and they're ready to decide to buy, they'll pull out a credit card and make that purchase. Now, really the last step is once you have your funnel set up, and you can see an example of a capture page right here, by the way. This is what one of them may look like. Once you have this, your sole goal now that the emails are pre-written and set up, now that the sales funnel is connected to the sales page, we want to get as many people opting in here, because the more people that put their email in, the more people will get followed up with, decide to buy, making you sales over and over again on autopilot. Now, the last step is how do we get people to go to this page? There's both paid traffic and free traffic that we can use. Now, I'm going to share 2 examples, one paid, one free in this video, just so you get an idea. Number 1 is paid traffic. So you can go to a site like Traffic Authority. I'll include a link directly below. Once you go to this traffic store, what you can do is purchase clicks. So when you purchase, you will actually guaranteed get clicks to this page. And because this traffic is very high quality, a good portion are going to put their email into your website here and start getting followed up with. So the way Traffic Authority works is you can choose a package. Okay, so basic is $220 for 170 to 190 clicks. You have bronze, silver, gold, which is the most popular, platinum, etc. Now, this is great for people that maybe you're working a job right now, maybe you're working 2 jobs, you're very busy, but you have some extra income to invest in growing your business as fast as possible. Then I highly recommend you do this. If you have the money, the $1,000, you can even start with the gold. That gives you 850 to 950 clicks, which is incredible. It will keep coming in over about a month time. So you can literally set and forget this traffic. Just select it there, put in the URL. So you always want to send people to your squeeze page or capture page, as we call it. Go ahead and put that in right there, okay? Attach a debit or credit card, the code, and then you would sign it right there and then just submit order. And that will start in about a day or two, getting you instant traffic. A free method you can use is you can go to facebook.com. If you have a Facebook profile, search at the top a few words that have to do with your niche, such as make money online in this example. Filter by groups, and then just open up one of the large groups. And what we want to do is once we're inside of this group, we want to start adding members as friends, because the more friends that are targeted you have, the more people that will see our posts and decide to buy. So click people right there, and then you can just go ahead and start adding these people as friends. So it says members with things in common, and I can just literally add these people as friends like that. And a good portion will follow back, and then you'll start building your Facebook profile. Now on your Facebook profile, and I have other videos where I go deeper, you just want to post very simple posts like this. You could do motivation to start to build your engagement. And then every few posts, you want to give a call to action. So you want to focus on the benefits of the product you're selling, and then you want to tell people to comment a certain word. And when they comment, you can actually send them information. So you can see somebody right here, comment discover, and I told them in the post to drop the word discover if they're ready to learn more. That person dropped it, and all you have to do is send that person information, and they will go to this page, opt in, and decide to buy on Autopilot. So there we have it, my friend. Incredibly simple automated website. Go to the links below. All of them will be there. Also subscribe. I'm going to be posting much more proof, much more results, and even strategies to do this even easier and better than ever before. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.